Let's start with question number 8. Pass necessary journal entries for the following transaction on the dissolution of firm of P and Q after the various assets other than cash and outside liabilities have been transferred to realization account. A very good question which was the part of Delhi 2011. Let's start. Question number 8. First point. Bank loan rupees 12,000 was paid. What entry we write? Bank loan was paid. Realization account debit to bank. How much? 12,000. So 12,000 will come in amount column. Being bank loan paid. Is that clear? Second point. Stock worth 16,000 was taken over by Q. Q has taken stock. So Q will give. How Q will give? His capital account will be debited. Okay, dear children. So Q's capital account debited to realization account. How much? 16,000. 16,000. Being, what is the asset? Stock. Being stock taken over by Q. Okay, children. Let's see the next entry. Third entry. Partner P paid a creditor 4,000. Now partner has paid creditor. So what we will do? Now we need to pay amount to the creditor. Amount to
It's a
the
realization to partner.
relation to P's capital. Very good. C point. Realization account debit to P's capital. Okay, how much? 4,000. Being creditors are paid by P. Okay, let's see next point. D. An asset not appearing in the books of accounts realized means we have received cash 1200. So when we receive cash, what we write? Cash account debit or bank account debit, isn't it? So bank account debit to realization. D point. Bank account debit to realization account. How much? It is 1200. It means we have received 1200 rupees.
सर पर एसेट तो मतलब था ही नहीं बुक्स में रिकॉर्डेड.
So what? But we have received na cash. Cash is received or not at the time of dissolution. When you receive the cash, what you will what entry you pass?
Yes, yes.
You need to pass that you have received
Bank
cash.
account.
Bank account debit.
Yes.
To realization, and here it is mentioned not appearing in the books. So what? It is not there is no difference if asset is not appear, but if it is sold, at least we have received some cash. So everything is recorded in realization account. If asset which is unrecorded, if liability it is unrecorded and it is to be paid. Okay, being unrecorded asset realized. Fine. Let's see next point. E point. Expenses of realization 2000 were paid by Q. Now Q has paid. So what firm will do? Now firm will transfer 2000 to Q's capital account. Okay, dear children. So what entry we pass? Realization account debit to Q's capital account. How much? 2000, 2000. Okay. One more entry. F. Profit on realization 36,000 was distributed between P and Q in 5:4. Tell me children, profit is debited or credited to partner? It is credited to partner's capital account, isn't it? So F point, realization account debit to P's capital and to Q's capital account. How much? It is given 36,000. So 36,000 we need to distribute in the ratio of 5 4, 5 plus 4 9, 9 4 ja 36, 4 5 ja 20 and 4 4 ja 16,000.
16,000.
Okay, being profit on realization account or on realization transferred to partner's capital account. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Yes, dear children, is it clear? All entries?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.